Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau.
Ka kinhul menteri jong ka Sorkar jilla hakar pesantrik unai lur 8000 pusau. Kala Mynjur ya ka jing terwa de ka selection committee bela kli du menteri ramba ka jilla kon rak ke sangma banthum yo officer IPS bela shong that ba Nongpluh kumunan judicial member hak Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. Haga Jukapor ka kinhul menteri kala Mynjur ya ki kerteng jung Lieutenant Colonel Sebastian Marbanyang kumuzila Sainik Welfare Officer Shillong.
A meeting today and multiple agendas were taken up during the cabinet meeting. I will just go through the agendas and the approvals that were given. First of all, we had cleared the list of holidays for the year 2025 and this was brought up by GAD, and there is no change in the list. It is as per the list that was there for this year, but as you're aware, as a formality for the cabinet to clear the list for the next year also, so we have done that today. Second is after the retirement of one of the non-judicial members in the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, we had a selection committee which is headed by Chief Minister, which had proposed the name of Shri H. Nongpluh, retired IPS officer, to be the member or non-judicial in the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. And that particular name and proposal, which was done by the selection committee, has been today approved by the cabinet. Third was the selection of the candidate for the post of Zilla Sainik Welfare Officer Shillong. And again, a committee headed by the Chief Secretary went through a panel of names, and they have recommended the name of Lieutenant Colonel Sebastian Marbanyang, and the cabinet today has approved that particular proposal that has been given by the selection committee headed by the Chief Secretary.